How you doing? What's going on?
I have a flat tire.
You got a flat tire?
Yeah, I'm trying to change it, but...
Okay. How'd you get a flat?
I'm not really sure.
Okay.
My tires are a couple years old.
Okay.
I was just on my way home.
Okay.
My grandparents live in Manville.
Gotcha. Where are you coming from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
Bethlehem, yeah.
What are you doing out there? Anything good?
Concert.
Concert?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah. I was just on my way home.
Okay. Alright, just so you don't have a body cam, okay?
Yeah, that's
okay.
fine.
You were... where'd you come from, by chance? Did you drive... which way did you come in, though?
I pulled in this way.
Okay. Did you happen to hit a curb, maybe?
Not that I felt.
Okay.
Yeah, not that I felt.
Alright, so someone called, and they said that you hit a curb and you were driving in here. That's why we're here. They said that you were driving all over the place, so that's why I wanted to make sure everything was alright.
Okay. Well, no.
Okay. That's why I'm just asking. That's why I just curious.
No, it's possible because of the flat tire, but
okay.
I was just pulling in here.
Okay. Do you have anything to drink tonight? Any alcohol?
I mean, like hours ago.
Hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm just trying to change
I got you.
this.
All right.
I've never changed a flat tire before.
Yeah, I hear you.
Does she need a tow? Or?
You want a tow truck?
I mean, I have a spare here. I think.
Okay.
If I just change this out, it should be fine.
Okay. All right. Why don't you leave that for a second? I just want to step over here. Okay. Just leave that for a second. You can change it. I just want to make sure you're okay to drive. That's all.
Sure,
okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. You said you drank a while ago. You said.
Yeah. Probably about 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago.
Yeah.
Okay. And the concert was in Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what time was your last drink? Like.
Maybe 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Okay. All right, I'm just going to test your eyes, make sure you're okay.
Yeah,
just because we're here now, okay?
Okay.
Just do me a favor, just stand with your feet together and your arms to your side like this, okay? You wear glasses,
I have contacts. And
okay.
I also have, I had a head injury.
Okay.
So my eyesight's a little funky.
Okay.
But
so if I put something in front of your face, you'd be able to...
I have special glasses to wear.
Okay. So if I put something right in front of your face, you'd be able to see it, though?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, do you see the tip of my pen?
Yep.
Okay, I want you to follow my pen. Don't move your head at all. Just follow with your eyes. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. I'm just going to go up, okay? All right. Do you want to, are you comfortable in those shoes if I had to do another test?
Yeah,
okay, all right. We're going to use this line on the floor, okay? You can stand right here and face me, all right? I don't want you to do anything until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
Do you walk normally? You have any problems with your legs? Nothing like that, right? Okay, you have no, you don't have, I'm just going to go up, okay? All right. Do you want to, are you comfortable in those shoes if I had to do another test?
Yeah,
okay, all right. We're going to use this line on the floor, okay? You can stand right here and face me, all right? I don't want you to do anything until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
Do you walk normally? You have any problems with your legs? Nothing like that, right? Okay, you have no, you don't have MS or, nothing like that, right? Okay. All right. I'm going to explain everything. I just don't want you to do anything until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
All right. When I tell you to, I want you to, on this line, I want you to put your left foot with your right foot in front like this, okay? With your right heel touching your left toe, just like I'm doing right now. You can go in that position. I want you to stay in this position until I tell you to move or tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
Okay. And I want you to put your arms to your side. Just keep them at your side. When I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line, okay? When you get to your ninth step, I want you to keep your front foot on the line. Take a series of small steps and take 9 steps back, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay? Like I said, I don't want you to move. I'll demonstrate it for you so you can see it, okay? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, I took 3. You're going to take 9, okay?
I'm taking
On your night step, you're going to keep that front foot on the line. You're going to take a series of small steps like this, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back and count out loud in this manner. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, I took 3. You're going to take 9. Okay.
9.
Yep.
Okay.
Hold on. Before you begin, I want you to keep your arms at your side. Okay. I want you to count out loud. Walk heel to toe, and don't stop the test until you're done. Okay. You understand?
Yep.
All right. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then turn around.
Yep.
The vehicle is across from number 7 Sally Court.
Awesome. Okay. One more test. Okay. I want you to keep your arms at your side and your feet together like this. Okay. When I tell you to begin, I don't want you to start till I tell you to begin. Same thing. Okay. When I tell you to, either lift your right or your left leg, whatever you prefer, whatever you're comfortable with, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's going to look like this. Okay. And you're going to count out loud in this manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, until I tell you to stop. Okay. I want you to keep that foot parallel to the ground and keep both legs straight the entire time. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Cars at Target 7.
Can I? Sorry.
No, you're good. That's fine. All right. I'll guess you again. You had a little bit more than just a few drinks. I could tell based off your eyes and your tests. So I know it was. I don't know if it was a while ago.
No, with my contacts.
Okay.
I have special glasses I'm supposed to wear.
Okay. What are the glasses? What are they for?
Because my.
It's all right. Take a deep breath. That's why I'm asking.
My vision. I had a head injury. That's what this.
What kind of head injury?
I got headbutt by my ex.
Okay.
And it misaligned my eyes.
Okay. So do you have a certain something with your eyes? Does that happen? What is it called?
Do
you know what
there's
it's
no
called?
Name for it.
No name for it.
It's just a misalignment with my eyes, but it causes the
nystagmus.
Dry eyes.
Do you have something? Do you ever call it nystagmus? Is that something that's you were ever told that you have?
No.
Okay. All right.
No, but my eyes don't.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. So, like I said to you, someone was behind you and they saw you driving all over the road and hit a curb. So that's why we're here.
It was.
Like I said, I didn't show up here because I randomly.
Hit a curb. I was pulling over because my tire.
The damage to your car was that what about
old.
that?
That's way old. That's way old. There's actually a police report for that.
Okay. All right.
The tractor.
Okay. So you're going to Manville, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your car's not drivable, and right now to change your tires, pretty crazy, right?
I mean, why is it crazy?
Okay. Well, I mean it's 3 a.m. I mean that's why.
I mean, I have all the.
All right. You want to test your eyes?
Yeah.
He's just going to test your eyes, okay?
That's fine.
What happened? Oh.
Go again?
What's your first name?
Danielle.
Danielle, I'm John. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I know my partner did your eyes. I'm going to do them also.
Okay, that's fine.
This is just a thing, all right?
Okay.
So you're not nearsighted, you're not farsighted? Do you have
if I don't have my contacts in...
do you have your contacts
yes.
in? Okay.
Yes, I do.
So you can see...
I can see.
Okay. When I ask you to, Danielle, I'm going to ask you to please take any finger when I ask you to.
Okay.
And touch the tip of my pen when I'm holding it up here.
The top of the pen?
The top, when I ask you to, okay?
Okay.
All right, could you go ahead and touch that for me now, please? Okay. Danielle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make several passes in front of your face with my pen, okay? I would like you to follow my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Please do not move your head. Please do not move your head, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. You gotta watch it with your eyes, right?
Okay.
So, okay?
I see it.
when I'm moving the pen, right? Like I would like you to follow it. So like,
you want me to trace it with my eyes?
Yes, exactly,
okay.
exactly. Don't just look at me, right?
I got it.
I got it.
Okay.
So I want you to follow it with your eyes, right?
Got it.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
County 1 detained.
Precinct 1 detained, 327.
I got 4.
All right, ma'am, do me a favor. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. All right.
What? Why?
You're under arrest for DWI, okay?
What? No.
No. We're not going to do
Wait,
that.
why?
Okay.
Why?
I'm going to explain everything to you, okay? Relax, okay?
I'm calm. Okay.
Stay calm.
Do me a favor, relax. I'm going to explain everything to you in a second,
No,
okay?
I need to know why.
So I'm going to explain it to you, okay? Let me. Okay. Let me tighten these so they don't get tighter on your wrists, okay?
I'm not moving.
No, I know, but I'm gonna explain everything to you, okay? So we got a call from our dispatcher that was coming home from work, right? And you were all over the road,
But I
and you
wasn't.
hear me out. Let me explain myself, okay? And you hit a curb. Okay, that's why you have the flat tire. Okay, your eyes are horrible. Okay,
That's my eyes.
That is not.
Let me put my glasses on.
That
Let
is
me
not.
put my glasses
Your glasses have nothing to do.
Yes,
with it,
they
okay?
do, though.
Okay, I'm telling you right now. They have nothing to do with
Can
it.
you
Okay,
please stop?
you're in handcuffs, so I'm gonna hold on to you.
Can I please tell you
Okay.
something?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I please put my glasses on?
Okay.
I promise
Your
you
glasses-
it makes a difference.
I could-
Yes, it does.
Your glasses have nothing to do with nystagmus. Okay, nystagmus is the involuntary movement of the eyes
Yeah,
when you're
yeah,
intoxicated.
no, I
okay?
know.
And I smell the alcohol coming from your breath. I smell it.
That's
okay.
fine. That's fine.
All right. I'm just letting you know why we're here. I'm not making
Well,
this stuff
I'm
up.
gonna lose
Okay.
my child, so.
Okay, you're not gonna lose your child.
Yes, I am.
In New Jersey, hear me out.
No, I'm gonna lose
In
my
New
kids.
Jersey, listen.
It's good. It's
listen.
fine. It's fine.
Listen.
I need
Let me
to call
talk.
my grandpa.
Let me talk. In New Jersey, DWI is not a criminal offense. It's
lose my kids.
listen. No, you're not. It's not a criminal offense. You're gonna come back. We're gonna do paperwork. Listen, and you're gonna get released tonight. You're gonna get released in an hour. Yes, you are. I'm telling you the truth. It's not. You're gonna get a ticket. That's all it is.
Yes, and then
It's not a criminal offense.
it doesn't matter.
I don't tell anybody. Nothing is you're told. You get a you have to go to court. That's it. That's what happens. Okay? There's nothing that says that we're going to go and tell what's going on here. It's not a criminal offense. It's not like you get arrested for shoplifting or anything like that. It's a ticket. It's a traffic ticket. Okay? That's how it is in New Jersey. I'm just letting you know. I have a job to do. So does Officer Doesburgh.
let
Okay?
go of my
I have to. I'm walking
That's
to the car.
fine.
I can't let you walk without me holding you.
Can you uncuff me, please?
No, I can't uncuff you.
Do I have to call someone?
We're gonna call someone as soon as we get back, and they're gonna come pick you up in about an hour. All right? Do you have anything on you? Because you're female. I'm not gonna search you. Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me? Okay. Do you have anything in the car that you need? Do you have anything in the car that you need? Do you have anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, nothing like that?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have a phone on you? Where's your phone?
My phone's in my pocket.
Okay. Where is it? In your pocket? In your back pocket?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna hold it for you so don't lose it. All right. And I want you to sit on it. It's coming with us. It's coming with us. Okay. You need
I've
take a
never
deep
been
breath.
arrested
Okay.
before.
That's fine.
Can you please take these cuffs off
The
me?
cuffs aren't coming off. They have to stay on. They have to stay on. You gotta take a deep breath, or else I'm gonna call an ambulance because you're hyperventilating. Okay. Take a deep breath.
I have anxiety really bad. Please don't do this.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I'm telling you, you're gonna be released tonight, and you're gonna call someone as soon as we get back. You're gonna call someone as soon as we get back. Okay. Take a seat. Okay. Take a deep breath and take a
What are you
seat.
guys gonna do?
We're going back to
What are you guys
headquarters.
gonna- I just need to know.
You're coming back to headquarters. We have to do paperwork.
What's happening. Please
We're
just
gonna-
tell me what's happening.
So we're gonna come back to headquarters.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the option to blow on the alcohol test machine.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't, it's gonna be a refusal. I'll explain all
just
that
do
stuff.
it. I'll just do it. I
Listen,
don't
listen,
care.
listen, listen,
I'll just
listen.
do it. I
You're
did
gonna
it.
get.
I drank.
Hear me
I'll
out.
just
You're
do
gonna
it.
get. No. I don't want you to say anything. I just want you to listen. Okay. I just want you to listen. You're gonna go back. I'm gonna give you the option to blow on the alcohol test machine. Once that's done, I'm gonna let you call your grandfather. He's gonna come pick you up. That's it. I promise you. That's it. I'm not lying to you. Okay. Everything's recorded. Everything's on body cam. Headquarters is right down the road. Okay.
I know.
All right. Okay. All right. Take a seat. Okay. Take a deep breath. Relax. I'm telling you. Everything's on body cam. I want you to take a deep breath. All right. Take a seat. Is your pocketbook in there so we can? Oh, we're gonna take it with us. We're gonna take it with us so that way you have it. Take a seat, okay? Take a seat, okay? I'm gonna leave the window open.
I don't want to be in here.
I understand. Slide over. Okay? I know. Not many people do.
Please uncuff me.
I can't uncuff you, okay? That's the policy, all right?
In the back seat.
Yep. You're gonna stay right there, all right? John, can you stay with her real quick? What up? Do you need your house keys or anything like that? Are they in the car? I'm going to get everything you need right now, so let me know what you need. What do you need in your car? Do you have house keys? That's on your keys?
Well, if my grandparents are picking me up.
Okay.
They're in the middle console.
Okay.
Danielle?
I just...
Danielle, can I did. I think I did. Yes, I did let them know. Yes, it is on the way.
Please call my grandpa.
Danielle, can I explain something to you? Please?
I don't know.
Well, hear me out for a second, okay?
Yes.
Take a deep breath, number one, because this is going to be a whole lot worse than what you think it might be, right? If you're, and hear me out for a second.
It already feels.
Well, it could, if you get like all sick, like if you make yourself sick.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay, that's all I'm concerned
I'm just.
Okay, so
this is crazy.
Here's what's going to happen, okay? As Officer Grasso said, you're going to be given an opportunity, right, to either take a breath test or to not take a breath test.
Okay.
Okay. Whether you take it or not, you're still going home. Okay. We're still going to call someone, rather.
Yeah, but what is the...
He's going to read something to you. Okay. It's a thing. It's going to get read to you.
I'm going to lose my kid.
Your wallet and whatnot is what you're going to need. Is it in your car?
Yes. Yes. I'm going to lose my kid.
County from 603. Could you please put me down for body camera failure?
Are these the keys that you're going to need to
Body
get
camera
in the
failure.
house? Are these what you're going to need?
Yeah, but
Okay.
if my grandpa's picking me up...
Well, I'm going to bring them just in case, okay? Where's your wallet at?
It's in there, too.
It's in there? What does it look like?
It's a black
Okay.
clutch.
The car keys are on the driver's seat. Okay.
Please take these off me.
Danielle, we can't. It's policy.
Please.
Okay?
It hurts.
No, actually, I could see you moving your hands around. And
Well, yeah, no, I can move them, but
right. All right.
I'm just not used to it.
Listen, I'm not saying that you're used to this, right? And I'm glad that you're not used to this.
Yeah, but I'm gonna lose everything. I'm gonna lose my job. I'm gonna lose my kid. I'm gonna lose everything. It's okay.
Maybe you won't.
No, I will. His dad is abusive and crazy.
603 Somerset Hills, 15 minutes ETA. Thank you.
Maybe we should go.
County, what health calls for the call down here at Bethlehem?
I need.
You need what?
Party wants to be anonymous.
I want to call my dad.
You can't call him from here, but when we bring you inside, you're going to be able to make phone calls. Okay?
So, what's happening exactly?
You're not going to jail tonight. How's that?
But I'm getting charged with something.
Yes, you are. With driving while intoxicated.
Intoxicated.
Your wallet, or you have something else?
Yeah,
She
that's...
can't get this thing out, can she?
No, I can't. It's tight enough. Don't worry.
Is this your wallet?
Yes.
Okay.
Is your wallet?
Is my license in there? I don't know.
I don't know. I couldn't really find it, so.
Yeah, I know. My car's trashed. Single mom life.
Would it be somewhere else? Because I don't see it in here.
I probably took it out when I was getting pulled over.
Well, you never got pulled over. You were in here.
When I saw you guys, I probably took it out.
Okay.
It's in my car. car somewhere. I don't
Okay.
know.
Well, we're gonna bring this. Where's her
I
stuff?
want to talk to my dad.
Okay, we're gonna let you go home as soon as we get back. Danielle, you own the car?
Yeah, it's
Is it under your name?
It's yes.
Okay.
I think the registration's due this month.
Okay, 600. Can you roll check on the overload of that vehicle? Grease, roll check.
Can I have my phone?
And if you could just defend that deal.
I'm gonna lose
Grease.
my kid. I'm gonna lose
615 from Tank. Can you respond down here, please? Where is you?
I heard that. But I can't.
Yeah, I know. I called for failure. Are you an operator?
Someone that lives in Manville can come get you, right?
I'm hoping
Okay.
if they answer, I don't
If
know.
not, we'll send someone there to wake them up.
No.
Well, someone has to come get you, so that's the law. So if that's the case, then we'll get someone to come get you.
Six 615 from 600.
Kim.
Stand by. Just off way for one of the surrounding agencies came and just wait over the car for a few minutes. Hey, firm. Karen,
Excuse me?
600, you contact one of the local agencies, see if someone's available.
Can you
to
just
sit
tell
with
me
the car for a
exactly
bit
what
here,
happens with all this? I
Yes,
don't.
I can.
I don't.
Hurry.
If you take, whether you take the breath test or not,
Yeah.
you're still going to be going home. Okay? That's the first thing you need to understand.
That
Based
doesn't
up-
matter. My
based up-
parents are gonna. I'm gonna be disowned. It doesn't matter. Just.
Okay,
please
based upon
continue.
those results, we'll determine what kind of tickets you get.
Okay. Okay.
And that's it.
So
and
say I refuse it. I'm not going to, but say I do.
you have that right.
You just
What
get
would-
another.
what
you
would
get
that
another
change?
Ticket.
You just
You
get
get another.
I
ticket.
get an additional ticket.
Additional ticket from the DWI. Yeah.
So you will get DWI and refusal, right? If you take the test,
So if I take the test, then I get
You'll get you'll get a reading, whatever that
as
reading
well
is.
as the DWI.
Just the DWI. You only would get the DWI
But if I refuse it, then I get the refusal, which is an additional.
to the DWI ticket. Yes. So
and
they're
whatever
two
happens
separate
in
tickets.
court happens in court.
So we can't give you advice on what to do.
No,
but
no,
we can
I'm
just
not
let
looking
you,
for advice
no,
on what
we
to
can
do.
just
I
let,
just
we
don't
can just
know
let
how
you know
any
the
of
re-
this
we're-
works.
there's a whole paper that I read to you, and then that will clarify things a little bit more for you. Okay.
Can I call my dad?
Yeah. As soon as we get back, we're just waiting for another person because we can't leave your car. That's just the way the law is.
Oh, so I have to pay the
Yeah, we're not allowed
impound
to leave
fee
your car.
too.
So the reason
So I
why
have to
that
pay impound.
So the reason why that is because someone years ago we left the car and then they came back and drove the car and then killed a Marine. So that's why that's the law.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's why that became.
Well,
the law.
no, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't
I like to
questioning
ex-
it. I
no,
wasn't
no.
questioning it in the
But I
first
still like to
place.
explain to people because people
No,
sometimes like, they
that's-
don't understand why.
No,
the
no.
car has to
I
be
mean,
taken. That's
you
just
guys
the
have
way
to
it
do what
is.
you have to
Yeah.
do. I understand it. I do. My tires were
There's a reason
shit
for
to
stuff
begin
why they
with.
have. But like I said, I'm not lying to you. That there's
No,
just tickets.
I know you guys
It's
aren't
not like
lying
it's not
to
like
me.
a criminal. It's not a
I know
criminal
you're not
thing.
lying to me. I
I
just...
try to be totally honest with people and not, I try not to screw people just because people think we're police. We don't always do that.
Hours because he's got to go down there, and I'll sit.
Please.
We have this. Yeah, no, I get it. That's fine.
600 Boundbrook is doing a transport to their headquarters. As soon as they're clear, they'll come over and help you.
10-4, thanks.
10-4, thanks. We just need one car. Great.
I can get the tapes still. So I got to get the tapes as well. .603, she's negative for paper. Good morning.
We'll see. We're going to keep our fingers crossed.
Who did call?
Somerset Hills?
So where's my car going to be taken?
It's
Can you contact Somerset Hills from the town?
So you'll be able to pick it up. You'll be able to pick it up tomorrow. As long
What's
as
that going to be, like $300?
Yeah,
It's only one
Somerset
day,
Hills
so
is your town.
I don't know exactly. They make the prices, but it's
Okay,
only
now
one
I'm
day.
seeing.
So
And you could tell
as long
Boundbrook that
as you're
you
picking
should
it
go
up,
Thank you.
just pick it up as soon as you can, which is
Great.
15 hours from the time of their arrest. So
And when can I get these off?
as soon as we get back, I'll take them off. I can't take them off from the car. It's
I
our
understand.
policy.
It's fine. It just hurts. Am I putting my hands the wrong way?
You keep your hands.
How do I
If you
how,
keep your
how do I
hands-
keep my hands?
If you
Because
keep them
it feels
together,
like
they're not. I promise you, they're as
no, I
loose
know
as
they're not
possibly
tight,
can.
but it's like
If you
I
keep your-
hold my hands the
keep
wrong
your
way,
hand,
it feels
keep
like
your
it's
hands,
cutting.
keep your hands like this way. There you go. Like you keep it that way.
Like that way?
Yeah, that's the way the
Oh
cuff
yeah.
goes.
Okay. Okay. And what happens if nobody answers?
Well, let's.
I'll just stay the night. I'm
Then
fine
you would
with
have
it.
to. You would
It
have to
is
stay
what it
here
is.
for. We don't want that to happen. You
I
have
know
to
you
stay here
don't,
for
but-
you have to stay here for like 16 hours, and we don't want that to happen. So, usually
There's
someone
just a
will get-
very low chance that anyone's going to answer.
We'll get someone to answer. We'll give you your phone. We'll let someone. You can call someone. It could be anybody. It doesn't have to be family. It could be anybody over the age of 18. It could
Yeah,
be
the only other person I would call is my son's father, and
It could be family, friends.
I don't want
It
It's
could be
okay.
anybody.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Can you put all her stuff back in, right?
Yes,
All your stuff's back in the car, like your tire iron and all that stuff. So
Oh,
we put it
the
all
spare
back in
stuff?
there. Yeah.
Hey, thanks. Appreciate it.
We don't want you to lose all that stuff.
This is going to be like $10,000, right?
No, it's usually not that much.
For DUI? Are you sure?
Not that I've seen in the past.
For
10,000's a little
fines
steep.
and stuff?
10,000's a little
Oh.
steep. What about you, John? You see 10,000?
I don't really see $10,000.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was like standard for
No,
the
no.
first.
Like I said, we don't. It's all up to the court, so it
No,
all
I-
depends on what happens. I
Yeah,
can't,
615
I can't tell
Gonzalez.
you what the penalty's going to be.
I know. I'm just
I'll let you-
I'm just anxious.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Danielle, do you understand that this is, and I'm sure that my partner explained it to you, that this is a ticket, right? It's not criminal.
I don't
It
know.
doesn't go on your record. Like it's not like a.
What?
It doesn't go on your record like for example, like if you did if you committed if you stole something, right? That's a
Yeah.
criminal offense, right? That's a 2C charge. And so you would get a complaint that
Yeah.
says, hey, you're either going to jail or you're getting released. That doesn't happen here. So like these tickets go on the same. This charge goes on the same ticket as if you got a speeding ticket.
No way.
Yeah, I swear to God. It goes in the same thing as a
No, but
speeding
it's.
ticket.
I shouldn't have done this. This is stupid.
Look, people make mistakes, right? It happens.
I just wanted to.
Doesn't make you a bad person. I get you. I understand. People make mistakes. It's not a big deal. All right.
I haven't had a night
You didn't
out
hurt yourself
in
and didn't hurt
fucking
anybody
6
else. That's
months. I didn't need to.
I understand. A lot of people do not mean to, and we don't take that personally.
I just want to talk to my dad.
We'll let you talk to your dad. Does he live in Manville? Okay. We'll let you call someone.
I don't know if anyone's gonna answer right now.
We could try.
Yeah, 615. Identification of my body camera went
First
down.
night I got someone to watch.
Sorry, body cam failure 340.
Do you still live somewhere else now?
No, I live.
You're just going back to your grandparents?
My grandparents watch my son when
Okay.
I want to do things.
Okay.
far are we going from here?
It's only about 5 minutes. Okay? You want that window open?
Please.
Thank you.
$600. Issue 87.5. Issue 87.0.
92/4.
Hi, how are you? You guys are both here for the same. Okay. So she was arrested for DWI. When someone's arrested for DWI, someone has to take custody of them to make sure that they don't drive. That's pretty much, yeah. So that's pretty much why that's what this form says. Okay. So you're going to take her. You're not going to let her drive or do anything like that. Okay. Is this spelled right? Your name?
That's her name.
Or your name? Okay, yeah. That's fine. And is this your address?
Yeah, that's her.
If she's driving, that's fine. I just need you to sign. They're saying that you're doing it together. That's fine. You can sign here. You can sign because it's your name on here. Yeah. This is just signing here, saying that everything I explained to you, you're not going to let her drive or anything like that. Right here.
Where's the car?
It got towed. It has to get towed. That's part of that.
Yeah.
It got towed to Somerset Hill. She knows the deal. I explained it to her. Okay. If you want to I'll explain it to you. She has to come here first, later today, probably around 3 o'clock. Okay. Come right here. Tell her, hey, I'm here to get a release form. They'll give you the form, and then you go right down to Somerset Hills, and they'll release the car. Okay? Just make sure she brings her license and all that stuff. Okay. All right. I'm going to give you a copy of this, and I'll bring her out. Okay? You're welcome.